Hello everyone and welcome to FCS 352 and 353 Child Growth and Development. I wanted to come on and show you a few things around both classes. I know that we have come off the craziest spring semester ever, and so I hope that you were able to relax just a little bit in little 1 month break that we got. And so welcome to my home office. If you happen to hear a dog snoring or barking, that is my Ellie Mae. I'm kind of used to it, so she's sleeping right beside me now. So anyways, my name is Meredith, and I'm super excited to get to know y'all this semester. It's going to go by really quick, and so let's just go ahead and jump in. So I have my Canvas opened up already to 352, and I have it set on student view so that you guys can see like what's on your side as well. So this is the home page for 352, and I just have a little announcement up for you, some resources if you need help. And I honestly don't know what in the world that is. I cannot get it to go away, but I don't like that. But I've tried everything to get that to go away, and it won't. Okay. So under announcements, I have already posted one announcement for this morning, and it just kind of gives you a little overview of what's going to happen. It also explains a little bit about the lab portion of this class, which is 353. So remember, you're kind of taking two classes, 352 and then 353, and we'll talk more about 353 later. Once again, there's my information. I always post my email, my phone number, my office, even though I'm not in my office right now. So all right, modules. So we have our syllabus. You can click on that and it will download it and then ask you to open it. You can read that and it shows you everything that we will be learning. And then at the bottom, this is what we have going on. This is how you will be evaluated. We have 2 online exams and then 2 discussions that I would like for you to participate in. And this is how you will be graded. All right, next. It should be our schedule. Yes. So we can open that up. All right, I have this laid out in a way that I hope makes sense to you. I have the date listed, then FCS 352, then 353, and if there's an assignment due that day. So today is the 13th. What we're doing is just an introduction to the class and the lab. Same thing for 353, and then no assignment is due today. Tomorrow, you will read through chapter 1. Nothing is due for lab, and no assignment is due. When we come back Monday, you will read through chapter 2. I will have a discussion posted, and then I also want to discuss our teaching activity, which is actually lab assignment 4. It's due at the end of summer 1, but I just want to go ahead and walk you through that in more detail. I will also be discussing lab assignment 1, but as you can see, lab assignment 1 we'll talk about that in a minute. It's not due till that Thursday. So, and then you'll see the rest of the week, and that's just, no class on the 25th, Memorial Day. And then you can just see how that goes. But if you have any questions, please email me. There's my email. I have my email posted so many different places. All right. Oops, let's close that. All right, next. This is the textbook that you will need. It looks like this. Once again, my information. And let me back out of that so you can see all of these. These are all the PowerPoints that I already have available for you for all the chapters. All right. Yep, that's it. When I have a discussion up, then you will see a discussions tab over on this side. I point and you guys can't see what I'm pointing at. I'm sorry. But there will be a discussions tab over here on this menu. So that is it for 352. So let's go ahead and exit out of this. Why am I denied? Oh, that's right. I need to leave my student view. Oh, Lordy. Okay. So now I'm going to go to lab. And let me hop in a student view so y'all can look. Okay, here we go. 353. So normally, and it's kind of set up the same way. I have a syllabus here, and then I have the course schedule, which is the same exact course schedule that's over in 352. I just like posting it over here so you don't have to flip-flop back and forth. It's just right here for you. We're going to click on the announcements, and I have one over here. This is the only announcement I will post in 353. All announcements will be posted in 352. Okay? All right, as you can see right here, it says normally you are required to go into a child care facility and complete a certain amount of observation hours and certain assignments that go along with observation and ask you to interact with the children. Due to COVID-19, that is not happening this summer. So what I've done is I've created some alternate assignments for you. We just can't help that, you know, facilities are not open. And even if some of them are, there's a limit to how many children can be in the classroom. And then they are also not allowing visitors to come in and out. So we are just doing the best that we can. All right. Once again, my information. So let's hop into some of these assignments really quick. They are labeled assignment 1, 2, 3, and 4. I know, very original and creative. All right, the first one is going to be child growth and development in your career. As you can see, when you click on these, it tells you the due date, how many points, when it's available, and then right there, that's where you'll submit your assignment. I have asked you to type a 1 to 1.5 page paper of how you think this class will help you in your career. I do know that all of you are not in the education field, and that's fine. Just think of ways that this class might help you. Child growth and development. So we're going to be learning about how children grow, how they develop, their brain, their language, their cognitive skills, their physical skills. How might that help you? Maybe you're going to design clothes. Why would it be important to know how a child grows? Maybe you are going to be a chef. Why would it be important to know how children eat? So there are many ways that this class can help you in a career, even if you're not in education. So just think about that. Here are the specifics, what I've asked for. Please check your grammar, your punctuation, and spelling. We are in a 300 level class, so you should, start your sentence with a capital letter and end it with a punctuation. And you should definitely double check for spelling errors. All right, next. This is a rubric, so you can click on that and it will open it up, or it'll download it and then you can open it and you will see exactly how you will be graded for this project. We're going to move right along. Number 2 is build my brain. What you are doing is you are going to watch a video course from Cox Campus. They are located in Atlanta. What you're doing, that link will take you directly to that video, so you don't have to be wandering around and trying to figure out where it is. It does say it takes an hour and a half to complete it. However, for observation hours, you have to do 24 hours. So I think 1.5 hours is not terrible considering you are normally in a classroom for 24 hours. When you finish this, it provides a certificate of training. So back here, I've asked you to either print that certificate and upload it, or if you just want to take a picture of it and upload your screenshot of your certificate of training, that will be perfect. All right. The next assignment is early childhood agencies. Tells you the due date, the points, and this is what I'd like for you to do. That should say lab assignment 3. I need to fix that. There are agencies that pertain just to early childhood, or just to early childhood, sorry. And here are some listed. What I'd like for you to do is choose one agency, just one, and create a presentation. You can choose from an agency that's listed, or you can find another agency. What I'd like for you to do is share some of this information, the name of the agency, who founded it, who started it, where, when, like what year, where are they located. Like, I know Parents as Teachers started out in Missouri, I think St. Louis, Missouri, but now they're all over the United States. I think they may be nationwide. I know we have a local Parents as Teachers down in Talladega. And then what services do they provide to family and children, and any other information that you think would be valuable to educators and parents. So like Parents as Teachers is a free service to families. There's no charge. That would be valuable information to educators. So you can create a presentation. You can do PowerPoint, a PictoChart, a Prezi. You can just video yourself sharing this information. You be creative. Or if there's something else that's not listed up there, I want you to have free creative range on this. So you do whatever you want to do as long as you have these items in your presentation. Okay? Next, there is a rubric. So you can click on that. It will download and open. And there it is. So you can just see how you will be graded. All right, so I'm going to click off that and that one. All right, the last activity, let me back up because I want to show, and we're going to talk more about this. Remember, that's on your schedule in more detail. This looks like a lot, but it's not, I promise. It's just, I like to show you examples. Is the teaching activity. Normally you do this in your classroom, but that's not going to be possible. So you're not writing a lesson plan. Let me say that again. You are not writing a lesson plan. All you're going to do is you are going to think of an activity to do with children from ages, 2 to 5. And it's really simple. We're going to go over this on Monday. I'm going to show you a lesson, super simple, does not have to be long. Please don't panic right now. Don't panic at all. And we will go over this more detailed on Monday. And it's just really super simple. I ask that you video yourself doing this. That's what I'm going to be doing to show it to you. So it's not hard at all. I promise it's going to be lots of fun. All right, so that's pretty much everything for 353. Once again, please, if you need anything, please email me, please call me. I know I'm not in my office, but if you do call my office number and leave a message, it comes straight to my email and I will get it. I think that's about it. So I do post a lot of announcements, but I just like to keep y'all updated on everything that's going on. I think that's about it. So I hope y'all have a happy Wednesday, and I will see y'all later. Bye.